everyone, and welcome back to another Stardew Valley video. And it's Poppy here. And today in this Stardew Valley video, I'm going to be showing you my farm. So here is the whole entire thing. Most of it is just trees, which is kind of annoying, but I'll just chop them up later. And a well over there is covered up in trees. Okay, now that I've showed you that part, I will show you my greenhouse, where I grow all my plants. Here they are. So the plants I have right now are blueberries, strawberries, tomatoes, corn, cranberries, a green bean plant, grapes, cactus fruit, eggplants, hot peppers, bok choy, ancient fruit, and hops. Now, none of my plants need watering right now because I already did. Okay, time to move on. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is my animals. I have a barn and a coop. Ooh, the night market is now open, but no, not now. I'll do it later. Oh yeah, first let me show you the fish pond, or carp pond, by the way. We're doing okay, but we'd be happier with 2 green algae. Nope, not happening. Sorry, I don't have any. And here it is, a crafting table, a cheese maker, a TV, couch, recycling thingy, a preserves jar, and a mayonnaise maker. Okay, now I'm gonna show you my animals. And they're inside right now because it's winter. I have 3 cows, 5 goats, and 2 sheep. Now let me milk them and see if they have any milk. Nope. 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 I don't think any of them have milk today. Nope, no one has milk today. Okay. Now I'm going to show you my coop. I have 4 ducks, 2 chickens, 2 void chickens, 2 dinosaurs, and 2 bunnies. Oh, they do not have anything right now. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, it's getting late, but I need to show you my house really fast. Excuse me. Okay, doesn't it look big? Time to go inside. Here it is. It's kind of dark, but hopefully you could see it with my glow ring on. Here's my kitchen with the catalog. And down here is the cellar, where you get to age wine and cheese and other things. I'm also saving up my gold to get the movie theater to replace the JoJo Mart. And, okay, anyways, here's the big TV. Let's see. Okay. Okay, good. Yeah, I need a worm bin. Okay, and here's my room. And another extra room over here. And there's the nursery. And another room, extra room up there. Okay, I'm probably gonna have to end this video. Sorry, guys. Okay. Uh-oh, there's monsters. But bye, everyone. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Ah!